Now we're going to remove the wheel, use a 19mm socket, take the lug nuts off. Remove the wheel. Take these two caliper bolts off, use a 17mm socket. Take those out. Now slide the brake caliper off. And use a brake caliper hanger and just hang it around the coil spring. Take the brake pads off. Take this brake caliper bracket off, take the two bolts out, use a 18mm socket. Take those two bolts out and slide the bracket off. Take this screw out. You want to use a T40 socket. And just take that out. Now grab the rotor, slide it off. If it's stuck on there, you can hammer in these areas. Just be careful, don't hit the studs. Take a thin coat of anti-seize and just put it on the hub surface. Take the rotor. I'm going to put it on backwards first. Then take some brake parts cleaner. Wash the rotor down. Wipe it with a rag. Now install the rotor. Make sure this is lined up down below with the threads. Then spray it down with brake parts cleaner and wipe it down with a rag. Take the screw, line it up. Get it started. And just snug it up. Now we're going to clean up the caliper bracket. Just use a straight blade screwdriver. We want to take these pad clips off. And then take a wire brush. You just want to clean this up. And just take a little bit of caliper grease and give it a nice thin coat. Take the new caliper slide clips, slide those in position. And another thin coat of grease. You can do the same on the other side. Now take the caliper bolts, which are also the pins, and you want to clean those up. Just use some brake parts cleaner and a rag, wipe it down. Take a little caliper grease, grease up the pin, and slide the bracket over. Take the bolts, get them started. And tighten these down. Then I'm going to torque them to 122 foot-pounds. Now the pads are slightly different. There's two little tabs in the middle. Those are for the inside, so you want to put those on the inside. And then the two that are on the outside, these two little tabs, the longer tabs, are going to go on the outside. Now take the caliper off the hanger. And using a brake caliper compressing tool, you want to compress the pistons of the caliper. Just go nice and slow. As you compress the pistons, it's pushing brake fluid through the brake hoses, through the lines, back up into the master cylinder. If you need to, you could use one of the old brake pads to compress it. Now take the caliper, make sure the hose is not twisted, and slide it over the brake pads. Put the slide pins in. And then I'm going to torque these bolts to 53 foot-pounds. Now install the wheel. Put the lug nuts on. Now I'm going to torque the lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.